Hi, it's Steve from Parts Select. Today we'd like to share some tips for cleaning your microwave oven. Whether you have an over-the-range microwave oven or a countertop version, keeping it clean not only makes it look better, but also prevents bacteria buildup on the inside and makes it safer for you. So let's start by showing you some of the simple yet safe ways to clean your microwave. Now, a really easy method for cleaning the interior of your microwave is to take about a cup of water, a couple of tablespoons of white vinegar. If you don't have white vinegar, you could use dish soap. Then we're going to set that in the microwave, allow it to heat for 2 or 3 minutes, not to a boil, but to make sure that it's good and hot. We'll let that steam collect on the interior walls of your microwave. Then we'll carefully remove the dish of water. We're next going to take out the tray and the carriage underneath of it. Again, use caution as that item may be hot. Now next we'll take a clean cloth and then we're going to gently wipe down the walls, ceiling, and the base of that oven cavity. Now when cleaning the interior of your microwave oven, just take note of a surface like this. It almost appears to be a plastic or a mica type material. That's typically quite fragile, so you want to make sure that you don't use too much pressure when cleaning that. And again, we don't want to use any harsh chemicals on it. Pay careful attention where the carriage for the rotating glass tray is, and make sure that we've cleaned up all of that area. Then next we're going to dry that surface with a paper towel. Now that we've got the interior nice and clean, our next step will be to clean both the carriage and the glass tray. We can actually wash that just with dish soap and warm water. While you have it out, check for any damage, and if there is, you'll need to replace it. Now with the glass tray, you may find that you have some burnt on food stains. This again can simply be washed using dish soap and warm water and a rag. Once we've cleaned it thoroughly, we'll dry it with a paper towel, and then we'll place it back in the oven and ensure that it sits nice and flat. And now we'll move on to cleaning the interior of the door. Now to clean the interior of the door, we typically have 2 different types of surface. We're going to have some plastic frame, perhaps metal on the interior of it, and you'll also have some glass. So normally we would use that vinegar and water solution and a soft cleaning cloth. So just scrub those surfaces until they're nice and clean. Now once we've removed all of the stains, we'll then use our paper towel and dry it off. And then we'll move on to the door and the exterior. Again, we'll use that vinegar and water solution and a soft cleaning cloth. We wipe down all surfaces. Now if yours is a countertop model, you'll also want to pull it far enough forward that you can clean the back as well. Now all that remains is to clean the front of our microwave. Typically we would use a spray-on glass cleaner, but rather than risk getting it on our controls by spraying it on the door, we'll simply spray it on our cleaning cloth or paper towel, and then carefully wipe the surface, and carefully wipe down the controls, wipe that edge of the control panel as well. Now while cleaning your microwave, if you happen to have noticed any damaged or worn parts, visit us at Parts Select and using your model number, see if we have that part just for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. We certainly hope these tips are helpful in keeping your microwave clean, shiny, and safe. And remember to subscribe so you don't miss a thing.